Welcome to our tutorial on installing the password manager KeePassXC. In this video, we're going to guide you through the installation process of KeePassXC, a powerful password manager. By the end of this video, you'll have KeePassXC installed and ready to use on your computer. So let's dive right in. The first step is to open the KeePassXC website. You can find the link to the download page in the description below. Go ahead and click on it. Click on the download button and choose the correct version of KeePassXC for your operating system. In this case, I'm using Windows, so I'll click on the Windows button. The download should start automatically. However, if it doesn't, simply click on Download again. Great, the download is finished. Now, let's open the Downloads folder on our computer. Once you're in the Downloads folder, locate the KeePassXC installer file. It should have a name like KeePassXC 2.75 Win64. I see something similar. Double-click on the file to initiate the installation process. The KeePassXC installation wizard should appear on your screen. Click on the Next button to proceed. Next, we need to accept the license terms. Take a moment to read through the terms if you'd like, and then check the box that says I accept the terms in the license agreement. Finally, click on the Next button again. Now, we have to choose the folder where KeePassXC will be installed. By default, it will be installed in the Program Files folder on your main drive. We also have to choose whether we want to create a desktop shortcut, run KeePassXC at startup, or both. If you're satisfied with the default location, click on the Next button. Finally, we have to click the Install button. Therefore, we may need the administrative privileges on this computer. The installation process may take a few moments, so please be patient. And there we have it. KeePassXC has been successfully installed on your computer. Now it's time to run the application. Let's click on the Finish button to close the installation wizard. Afterward, we can launch KeePassXC for the first time. Congratulations! You've successfully installed KeePassXC and it's ready to use. Make sure to set up a strong master password and start organizing your passwords securely. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Until next time.